Hey loves, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. Today it is a home update on what we've been doing to the house. I promised you guys that since we moved into this house that I will show you guys like new items that I got. You guys love home decor videos because it's always super inspiring, and so I have a lot of stuff that I recently purchased for our living room and for other places in our room, so I'm going to share that with you guys. And I will also be filming an entire home tour to give you guys a 1-year update of what we've done to the house so far. Not every single room is 100% furnished or finished, but it's never going to be 100% done. Like, I'm always going to be moving stuff around and wanting things here and there. I will have that video in the next couple of weeks, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you guys don't miss out, and turn on those notifications so you can know exactly when that video goes up. And yeah, let's jump into the haul. I've been doing some more shopping and I wanted to share with you guys what I found. So these are pillows that I got at TJMaxx. They were only $14.99, which I think is a steal for how big and fluffy and really nice that they are. So I really like those. They're great for the living room. This is what our couch looks like without the other cushions. I felt like it needed just 2 more to kind of make it look a little bit more comfortable, and so I'm going to add those pillows that are right here, so I'm going to add them on there right now. And this is what it looks like with the pillows on the corners. I just feel like it looks so much better, looks a lot more inviting and a lot more cozy and comfortable, and it really brightens up the room. So I really like how those turned out. I couldn't pass up $14.99 for the size and the quality of those pillows because they were just really nice. In one of my vlogs, I asked you guys what I should put in this corner because it looked so empty before and it felt a little lonely, and so I was contemplating on what to put there, but I really like how it turns out. Let me know if I should keep it or not, or if I should put something else, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna ask Ricardo what he thinks about it. But what really sold me on this one was the base. I just like how it looks. Once again, it reminds me of like Restoration Hardware. And then on our ottoman, I have this really pretty wooden tray that I really love. It looks just so nice because it matches the other wood down here. So it looks so amazing. I love it. When I saw that, I had to get it. But I do want to balance out the plant that's in that corner, and so I wanted to add a little bit more greenery on here, and so I got this from TJMaxx. It's just a cute little plant, and this one was $6.99, and I'm just going to add it here along with the flower and along with the candle, just to kind of balance it out all together. So now it kind of balances out that green that's there. I also got this super cute globe from Hobby Lobby. They were having a sale and it was $24.99, but they were all 50% off, and so I got that one for half the price, and it just looks really cute. As you can tell, I spray painted the handles gold, so I want accents of gold in this room and really slight accents of pink as well. You guys know how much I am obsessed with Paris, and I've been wanting this for a really long time, but it's always super crazy expensive on any website, and I found it at TJMaxx. It was only $20 and I had to get it. It's a pretty decent size. Like, it's not super huge, but it's like a good size. That's like the size of my foot. And so I have several different places where I can put this, which makes me really excited because when I know it can fit just about any room, I instantly purchase it. I've been searching for canvases for like over a year since I knew we were moving into this house, and I'm really picky with canvases, and this is one that I absolutely loved, and when my heart says yes, I instantly have to get it because then I know it takes me so long to find art or canvases or paintings. When I found these towels, I was really excited because I actually purchased these in the winter time, the exact same pattern, and I only got one of each size, and then I really enjoyed them. They're great quality, and I couldn't find them again. So when I saw them in the store, I had to get just one more of each size, except for the big size, and these were $5.99, and the smaller one was $3.99. So these are really cute, especially in the bathroom. They go with my theme. I'm really weird. I don't want any mixed match towels, and so that way when these are dirty, I can bring the other ones out and there will never be like missing towels. You're really tired? Are you really tired? You're running around like crazy. Yeah. This is the room that I have no idea what to do with but I think we're just gonna get some furniture here. Those are some PR boxes. That's another PR box that I have to put upstairs. I did get this really cool clock from At Home. It was $59.99, so $60. It's a really decent size. It's really nice. So I'm going to hang that up on this wall over here, and then I want it to look very chic and sophisticated and pretty. I want to keep the entire first floor very neutral in color, and then I can have fun upstairs with different colors. But this one is going to have accents of black in the room, and as opposed to the living room, where that main living room is like nothing but like a light wood, kind of similar to the stairs. This girl is crazy. Gingy, why are you going crazy? She's going crazy. This is another thing that I want to share with you guys. So I bought these a while ago. My dog's choking over there because she's too hyper. Gingy, come over here, relax. She gets so excited. Go drink some water. Come here, give me a high five. Oh, dang, you hyper. You're really hyper. I bought these frames a while ago when I purchased the clock, and I wanted to put them above the entertainment center. So I need your help. Please comment down below what kind of pictures I should put on here, because I kind of wanted to put some of us, but honestly, I just want to do like landmarks to the places we've been, or I want to do some kind of like really cool art or some kind of words, something different, and I want to do it in black and white just like it's on there, so I can post it above our entertainment center. And let me show you what it looks like. Space. I really wanted to complement our high ceilings because I just love them, and I want your view to go up whenever you see like the pictures, so it makes the room feel bigger. Like I did with the curtains, I put them all the way up, and I found those curtains at IKEA. I literally searched everywhere to find these curtains because they're so tall, and I found them at IKEA at such a crazy low price. I love them. The fabric is really well, so that's why I got them. Oh man, hubby's home. I was filming. I have like heartburn or something. Gingy, you're going crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my good. Oh, do you like the tree? Do you like it? Look what I got. Look. Or not the tree, the plant.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No, seriously, look at it. What do you think? Does it look good? Do you like it or no? I can take it back. I feel like it had to grow on me. I had to sit with it for like an hour before I was like, okay, I like it. Like in the beginning when I put it there, I didn't really like it that much. And then I waited like a good hour, and then I was like, okay, like it feels good. Go ahead, move it over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you made it this far, because that means that you stuck through it and you enjoyed it. Liking a video is always extremely helpful. It actually lets YouTube know that this is a video that people are engaging in. They're leaving comments and liking this video, so it's most likely to pop up on other people's feed, and that is how you help, by liking a video. So that really means a lot to me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.